Today at Automotive Passion, we will be running you through the steps of fitting our arch guards to the latest generation W177 of the Mercedes-Benz A-Class range. These fit the AMG line, A35 and A45/S models. So starting off with the front, we are going to remove the two original little arch liner pop rivets, which you can easily remove with either a flathead screwdriver or recommended with a little trim tool. These are going to pop out. Original pop rivet plugs have now been removed, and just emphasizing, this car has only done 5,000 miles, and as you can see already, the amount of peppered stone chips all along the top of the arch and on the underside. So as the miles keep accumulating, especially during winter, this is only going to get worse. So the arch guards are a great addition on firstly keeping your paintwork nice and fresh, and also helping you keep your car in a nice clean condition. Let's move on to install the arch guard. So with the kit, there will be a roll of 3M tape that we are going to use just on the bottom side and along the little bit of the arch. The 3M tape is actually not necessarily there to hold them in place, as the lower arch liners and the little self-tapper screw with the nylon spacer, which we are going to insert into the arch liner itself, is going to keep the arch guard securely in place. The tape is just going to act as a little support and make sure that they stay in place nice and securely, and there's no tapping at high speeds. With the 3M tape that is supplied with the arch guards, we have put a little piece at the bottom and on the top side. The next step is we are going to get the arch guards lined up with the lower two hole locations. We're going to then loosely put the original arch liner plugs back into place, and we are then going to use a little screwdriver head to make a pilot hole in the arch on the inside here before we go up and fit the arch guards. With the small pilot hole now, as you can see in the plastic arch here, we have made a tiny little pilot hole for when we have the arch guards mounted up in place. We can add the extra little security screw in there. We have now peeled off the red film on top of the 3M tape and ready to mount the arch guards up in place using the original lower mounting point hole locations and plugs, along with the new little supplied screw and nylon spacer. With the original screws back in position just to hold the arch guard in place, we are now going to take the little self-tapper screw supplied with the kit, and holding it straight up and square, we are going to push it through the arch liner hole and press it against the plastic arch liner, and this will leave a little pilot hole so that when we come to screw it up in place with the nylon spacer, we are able to fit it up securely and correctly. The arch guards are also adjustable and can be moved in and out of the arch for your desired fitment and how much you would like them to protrude. So let's go and get the arch guards fitted for the final stage. Arch guards have now been fitted up reusing the original lower pop rivet plugs and the 3M supplied tape. We are now going to take the small little self-tapper screw and nylon spacer. Using our pre-drilled pilot hole, we are going to screw the little arch liner in place with the new self-tapper screw, which will hold the arch guards firmly in place. And those are the arch guards all fitted up on the Mercedes-Benz W177 A-Class.